Hi everyone, it's Tanya and welcome to today's video. As you might have realized from the title of this video and from the thumbnail, I have got a new bookshelf. This one. I had footage of me assembling it and building it, but I accidentally deleted it. So that's why today is going to be just pure my new bookshelf organization type of video. So I have accumulated quite a decent number of books for the past like a few months, and I really needed a new bookshelf because my old bookshelf, this one, already was full and I couldn't put any more books in it, and some of my books were already sitting on the floor. I really needed this new bookshelf. I got it for my birthday from my husband as a present, which I am grateful to him for this very much, and now I'm going to organize it and put all of my books on the bookshelf. First, let me show you how many books I have and what we are dealing with. So I have already organized them in like piles. So there's this pile, and then this small, and that, and then there is my Penguin English Library, and then there is these books, and then the books on the table, my Wolf Hall trilogy, and also I have Red Spines. So that's not it, like it's not crazy amount, but it's quite a decent. These are like my Korean books. This is a decent amount of books. So I already put them into like piles, and now all I need to do is to put these piles on the shelf. Okay, I hope my bookshelf is going to be very beautiful. I also got these things, for these green things for this bookshelf as well. Let's see how it's going to look, but first let's put the books on the shelf. Okay, so I think that approximately this is how I want kind of to keep it. I really like this, like when on the shelf books, some books are standing vertically, some of them are laying horizontally. I really like these dynamics, and so that's like what I did here. And also I feel like this way there is more space that I can use. I still have, you see, like quite a lot of space on the shelves, and also the upper shelf is empty, and then on the top is also empty. So, and also on the lower shelf I also have space. So I feel like this bookshelf will be enough for me. So I have already quite a few books, and I like try not to buy at the same like proportions as before, so I kind of stopped. And yeah, so this is the result. Now I will show you what I have for decorations. So I have some toys. So these are like toys that I brought. These two toys I brought from Korea. So this is like, you know, traditional Korean emperor clothes. So this is like, you see the emperor and empress, and I decided to put them next to Korean books, obviously. So this is like my collection of Korean books, so they will be standing here. Also I have Russian Matryoshka. Matryoshka I will just put wherever, because Matryoshka, they are very colorful, so I think I will put them next to English Library, because English Library is also colorful. And I also have two more. so I will put them, I don't know, maybe here approximately. So yeah, let me show you what else I have. To be honest, I didn't prepare like a whole lot of decorations because I don't know, I don't like it when there is like too much stuff on the bookshelves. For me, like bookshelves are for books and like there should be books, and so the less decorations the better. But I do like how this like green stuff looks in my videos. I feel like it adds color to them because like my room is mostly white, and so this greenery adds some color to the video, so which I appreciate. So that's why I got more of this like green stuff. This green stuff. So I don't know if it's enough, maybe it's not. Let's see. Let's see. I actually really like the way this bookshelf looks without this. I really like it, but it's okay. I mean, I can always remove it, right? Like if I don't like it, I can always remove it. So I got this. I got two frogs. So one of the frogs is reading and the other one is kind of listening, so I thought I would put them next to each other on the shelves. So yeah, these are like just I thought they were cute. Okay, so now I will try and put this on my new bookshelf. So let's see what it's gonna look like. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I need one more for this part, at least, or two more, but actually when you go down, so then greenery from this other shelf will cover that space, so I think one will be enough. I need just one more here, but this is what it looks like at this moment. I think it's okay. I think it looks good. Yeah, I think I like it. Okay, here's overview of my both bookshelves. So that is my old bookshelf, the small one, the slim one, and this is the new one with my books on it. So there you have it, guys. Very quick, very short video of my book organization. I hope you enjoyed it. I think I will even like maybe change my location, so it would be like maybe like that. We will see. Maybe not. Maybe not. I don't know. I kind of like that location as well, so I will figure it out. We will see. We will see. But okay, so I hope you enjoyed this very short my new bookshelf organization video. I will do a bookshelf tour, I think, in the next video, so if you're interested, keep your eyes out for that. But for now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're having a very good day, staying safe, and I will see you soon in the next videos. Thank you. Bye.